Today I got an Android. A customer bought an Android. This is a radio. Now what you're gonna have to buy, you need to know if you got the right plug for it. So this is an it should be 03 to 05, all the same, but you have to be careful. You have to see, you have to make sure you have a dual heater control, or you have a single. So basically this is a single, and next thing you need to know is what kind of plug you have. This is more of a square plug instead of the rectangle. And then here's the green one for the heater control. So coming back over here, you basically plug this blue one right here, and then this one will go to the radio, and then this piece, this green plug piece right there, you need to plug it right here. So they have two different type right there, so it's supposedly plug it. I don't know why they need two for. Let me double check that. I'm gonna plug this thing in like so. So plug in the GPS. I stick the GPS right there, and then I'm gonna plug the antenna right here, and I also ran the USB. There's two USB. That's for Android and the charger. Basically that's what those USB does. Two of them. I taped one of them. One of them is thicker. Those are probably more of a video signal. And then I'm gonna plug this black one on the black one right here. This black, this is a power supply. And then I'm just gonna plug this green right there. This green made it for the, oh, I'm missing this little piece right there. Okay, well, that little piece came from the plug right there, will go straight right here. And then this one right for the can. So basically it's a signal, and then send signal back and forth for the heat and everything right there. This one will go, it should fit. Basically it should match right here. Let's plug right here in. Make sure there's nothing sharp underneath there to damage the screen. And I plug this in right here. Make sure it's go downward right here. Make sure it stays, not damage anything. I'm gonna plug the screen plug in. Remember, I'm using one hand, guys. Trying to video for you. See, it should go on a certain way. You cannot mess up on the plug-in part. See if it doesn't fit, move it around, turn it upside down, plug it in, and I'm gonna plug the power in. By the way, I forgot to plug in this thing for the Bluetooth. This is for the RCA jack output, and it's not for the backup camera. I think I plugged the backup camera already. Yep, the backup camera's got only one right here. That's for backup camera. This is for like a subwoofer output and a microphone. And plug that in. You can clean up this wire a little bit, but you really don't need to, because the wire's in the back. Nobody gonna see it. It's not gonna damage or touch anything like that, and it's not bare wire or copper sticking out, anything like that. So you don't have to do that. Just make sure you're not pushing anything and damage or stick in this one where this clip went back, so it short the radio or anything. Just make sure you put it in the back right. Now let's see if the heat control works. It sent a signal, but why is it flashing? Let me see. Probably had to learn it's it doesn't have a CAN bus. How this thing got that? Okay, well, let's see. I don't know why it's keep jumping. It works. Come down. Off mode. I want to make sure this thing. I don't see the light so well, but it's lit up right there. It's off, but I don't understand why this thing is up and down for that part. doesn't send that signal, but let me go to the radio part. I don't need to see that, guys. I need to do some more learning on this. Oh my god, let me see if any song works. It doesn't have a steering wheel control, so no steering control, but I have. Where is the sound at? Let me go to the main menu. I do not like this part right here, so let me go home again. Why? Off. That I do not know yet. Somehow I need to get to Oh, I didn't know what I pushed, so I got back to home menu. I didn't see this part. I guess it took a minute to learn or practice or something. Oh, when you turn this key back on, it come back on. Let's go off. Let me see if it go off. Nope. Oh no, it will go out after a couple seconds. So I'm gonna click the radio station. Hold it, and it's gonna search the channel. I think I forgot to plug in the radio station.